श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। श्रियः कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेऽर्थिनां श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलं मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीयगुणात्मने चक्रवर्ति तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम्। Hello everyone. Let us know about the September monthly horoscope results are as follows. The trans results which I say will happen only 60%. Birth horoscope results are 90%. Astrology is just an index science. The 100% results are only for sakes. This is thing you all have to understand and follow. I hope you all will follow for sure. Let us know about September monthly horoscope results. Capricorn results are as follows. The results in the first week are negative, average results in the second and third week, excellent results in the fourth week. There is a loss of education for students. Students are advised to go in depth study to achieve great results. Study well and work hard to attempt competitive exams like NEET, IELTS, GRE, TOEFL and other competitive exams too. It is better for students to recite Hayagriva Stotram and Sri Medha Suktam to gain knowledge. High loss of employment to the employees. Public sector companies are not likely to have promotions and increments during first week. You are advised to think twice before doing any type of financial transaction during first 3 weeks. Do not take unnecessary advice from others about investing the money in share markets and speculations. There will be a high loss of money. The great benefits in the lotteries and gambling during fourth weeks. Take high provisions towards you health during first week. Fisheries for fishermen. Fishermen can go into the sea for fishing from second week. Stupendous crop growth to the farmers. Great profit to those who sell chilies, tamarind, millets and jaggery. Staggering profit to the LIC, medical and housing agents from second week. Astonishing development to the doctors, lawyers and cops in the fourth week. Terrible loss to the construction, pharma, cement and real estate workers. Do not plan to renovate your house or office in the first week as per Vastu. Pregnant women should take proper precautions. It is better for them to stay at home. There are slight chances for pregnant women to get natural delivery. The pregnancy comes through IVF. There will be no birth development to these singers, choreographers and athletes during first week. Defilement to the labor workers, scrapers and merchants in the first and third week. There are no chances of getting a green card, permanent residency, H1B visa during this first and second week. Business disruption in the furniture, glass and leather, shoe industries in the second and third week. You can expect great gain in your past investments. Some new sources of income may be opened which will help to boost up your financial health. You will surely travel to abroad for studies or job purpose during the fourth week. Great intimacy between lovers from second week. Lovers are likely to unite with the consent of adults. Wife and husband will have a high confidence during first week. Try to improve understanding between your spouse to lead a happy life. Drivers and automobile sectors will have a high profit in the third and fourth week. The best compatibility in the political field is well received by the people in the third and fourth week. In the first and second week, high chances to insult for those who are in the political arena. Beneficial profit to the directors, producers and short filmmakers. There is a great advancing in the dairy and poultry industries in the second and fourth week. Actors and actresses get the best level of access as an actor. There are high chances for arranged marriage than love marriage for this zodiac. Disadvantages for the gold and silver traders in the first week. The potteries and event management will have the great development in their business. Development is great to the textile, tailoring and handloom traders during second and fourth week. The profitable results to the hotel business. Liquor business will be in a great loss from first week and third week. Disputes in inherited property will likely to settle down well during fourth week. There is a possibility of fire accidents in the factories like pharma and plastic and cooling industries during the third week. The beneficial profit to the priests and Vedic scholars during second and fourth week. High conflicts between siblings during first week. There will be no compatibility in two-wheeler or four-wheeler vehicle is purchased in the first week. Do not invest money to purchase second hand vehicles. Your health would require a lot of attention during the first week as you are likely to develop several ailments that makes risk to your life. Avoid any kind of arguments that may lead to differences of opinion and misunderstandings. The relationship would be demanding during the first and third week. That makes peace with your family and other relatives to avoid further sorrow during this period. Hold on tightly to your honor and position in the society as well. Worship God every day and recite the Dattatreya Stotram and Bhagavad Gita 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8 verses to get positive results. This month is very auspicious for everyone during fourth week except in the first, second and third week. I want everyone to lead a happy life, prosperity, health and wealth in this month and every month too. Enjoy every moment happily. Have a beautiful month. Namaskaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear viewers, I owe you an apology for the grammatical errors I have done. I will take full responsibility for my actions and I will try to recollect my mistakes and at least do a bit better in my upcoming videos. And very thankful to you, all the people. Namaskaram. Thank you. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim maheshaha gobrahmanebhya shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.